right, so you are allowed one unstick. He has called it, so shut your safety remotes, please. Shut your remote off. Shut your remote off. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. Read the rules.
Read the damn rules. All right, are you ready? Are you ready, Amir? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Wait. They're waiting until you get to the side.
The farmer just keeps taking the punishment.
They're waiting inside. Can you run it? Can you run it?
Whoa!
Oh, nice. No weapon? Is that your top is blue? Oh, you can push him, He's trying to outsmart you. Minute left.
All right, he can still move his wheels, Terry. Yeah,
both are stuck.
And he just moved.
Can you move? There you go. You're good.
Time check?
Nice. That's what he's
37 seconds.
No. Push him.
Once he pushes me or nothing.
Alright, you can only stay locked up for 10 seconds, Terry, then you gotta back it out. 7,